I'm Jada and I was in an accident June 8th, and I'm 15 years old.
I'm Christina, Jada's mom. She came to SKY Rehab on June 29th of 2018 and left of July 20th of 2018. They have great staff here. They are very on time with doing your therapy. They keep you on a routine of everything that has to be done. So they even have an outpatient. After you're done with the inpatient, you can also go to the outpatient. They also have a pool in case that you need some therapy there. Dr. Perri here, that is very great too with his work with the cognitive skills and the emotional skills of having a brain injury. So if you need anything, come to SKY Rehab in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and this is Jada Rigsby's story.